Good morning, student. Good morning, students. Today we will see the 5S principles. That means 5S practice. First of all, we will show the what is 5S. The basis of 5S, it means short form of our welcome. W means waste, E means elimination, L means leads to, C means cost, O means optimization, and M means management, and E means excellence. That means all 5S means welcome. That means waste elimination leads to cost optimization and management excellence. Then there are 5S means 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S. 5S means it is a 5 Japanese words. 5S means 5 Japanese words: Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Shitketsu, and Shitsuke. Seiri means short, English word translation. Seiton means straighten. Seiso means shine. Shitketsu means standardize, and Seiketsu means standardize, and Shitketsu means sustain. These 5 Japanese, most of the industry, these 5 words Japanese 5 words following the every industries for a sortation and strengthen, sign, standardization and sustain of your company welcome. That means waste elimination leads to cost optimization, management excellence. Detail we will see the every 5 years. First S means 5 years, it means the process of improving organization and cleanliness. It this important in your business. Why? We will see. First S means first S means, see, segregate what is needed, later or not needed, discard what is not needed, segregate needed item by frequently of use. That is first is sortation of our every material. Why sort is important? A work environment which first time, second money, third space, fourth energy, and fifth effective resource management. These 5 main aim of our work is sortization. Problem in workflow are reduced, communication is improved, product quality is increased, and productivity is enhanced. Finally, that is sortization of our product in working environment which will be good. First time, money, space, energy. Then where to perform, you will see the picture every material to not a proper. Then red label campaigning, that means sort, distinction between the needed and not needed. First of all, separation of red label campaigning. Every material needed, not needed, to discretization of different parts. Needed, we will stop, visible, straighten and display operation. Where, what, how many, which place material is required, which place material is not required. Then visible. And not needed material means red label storage area. That means it's all our parts is disposable. Second, straighten. That means organization. Second, arrange items so that they are easy to find out and easy to use. A place for everything and everything in its place. See the picture of second, straighten. Organizing every material space or proper and place for everything. See the every place, every material will be proper channel. How we will like for good organization is in place? Can anybody immediately first see where, what and how many? Second, take it time out. Then return item after use. Organization support to customer responsiveness. organization support for the visual management. Second, you will see the picture before the product workout and after the product workout. Every material in proper channel. Then problems avoided by implementation set in order. Waste of motion, searching, human energy, excellence inventory, defective products and unsafe conditions. Third, sign. It means cleaning up. Every working area will be cleaned up. Initially, deep cleaning may be necessary. Then challenge is to the implementation regular housekeeping so that any dirt or grease is immediately obvious. Sign target. First, storage area, warehouses, helpness, tool storage, etc. Equipment, machinery, handling lifts, etc. Surrounding, window, meeting room, tap of cabins. Management of cleaning must be done on a regular basis. Second, determine what to clean, then assign specific individual to task. Third, necessary cleaning tools and supply to be available at usage point. Fourth, designate specific cleaning time, last 5 minutes of shift. Every shift changing, last 5 minutes, we will designate and cleaning every area. It is important that we establish the first 3 Cs before we progress to next 2 Cs. First 3 Cs and after progress to second 2 Cs. Fourth is standardization. That means standardize. It is the result that exists when the first 3 pillars, that means first 3 pillars, sort and set in order and sign are properly maintained. Auditing the workplace progress on clearing up, organizing and cleaning. Clearing up means elimination of unnecessary items. Organizing means needed items in design places. And cleaning means everything to be cleaned, any dirt is noticed immediately. Then fourth S means standardization. Standardization means every workplace set in our order for standard material. First of all, communication. Then main aim of our goal is standardization, set in order, communication, where things are kept, every machinery is standard, operation for standard procedure, critical process and inventory in proper channel. Fifth S means sustain. Means making habit properly maintaining correct procedures. These steps is to ensure that great general awareness about forest training to everyone. Develop norms and monitor success. Involve of proper skilled laborers, that means people in the movement. Red tag exercise means define area in teams. Critically examine it all works, that means stock, equipment, tools, etc. in proper channel. Take those needed to weekly basis. Make a long tag items and locations. You will see the before. That means January 2007 picture. You will see the every material is not proper channel. And June 2007 we will follow the 5S procedure. Every material will be clean up and standardized and proper channel through workplace will be available. Same picture in same direction you will see. And last two possibility of 5S, before 5S or after 5S. If we are not use 5S, that means we will see the third class of people will be laziness, every material will be not proper channel, that means red label. And we will use 5S, that means first class, that is means all working material will be need be clean. You will see further 5S means every 5S means Japanese word. Seiri means shortization. Seiton means straighten. Seiso means sign. Seiketsu means standardize. And Shitkesu means sustain. These 5 Japanese words most of the industry used. Smallest, yeah, big. Every industry first of all use 5S. That means proper working area. Thank you.